Hello friends, today I'm making a video on the request of one of my relative. He asked me to make a video on a topic that how can we extract the data utilizing the criteria or utilizing the attribute to display it on a desktop for a certain task. So I find this is a good opportunity for me to make a video. So let's begin. We will see how we can do this. For example, you have a table in which you have different attributes. So first and very easy method, if you don't need a dashboard, so first and easy method is to just select the table, use the filter option, and here you can use any criteria to filter. For example, if I want to filter the data by using a sales rep name, so I can click on it and just deselect the others. Like I want to separate the data or filter the data based on the bands I want to see. So this is the one way how you can separate the data or how you can filter the data. But if you want to display it on dashboard, so let's see how we can do this. Remove the filter, select all, or okay. So what you need to do, you have to give the name of to this table. How you can do this? Select the table, go to the table tab, and write here name. For example, here the written is data. You can replace this name. Then what you have to do. You have to go to the separate sheet where you have to select the criteria by which you want to see or you want to filter the data, or you want to extract the data. What you need to do first here. You have to make a drop-down list here. If you don't know how to make a drop-down list, I will display here on the screen the URL, or I will give in a description as well, from where you can learn how to make a drop-down list. So now I want to see the performance of the data belongs to the band here. How we can do this? Hit is equals to right filter, double click on the first option, array. What is array? Double click on it, or write data, because I want to select the table that is on the other sheet, and I give in the name of this table is data. Double click on it, comma, write again data, double click on it, and large bracket. Here I want to select the attribute of this table by which I want to see the data, or I want to display the data. So here the attribute is sales rep. Double click on it, close the large bracket, is equals to whatever I will select here in the drop down list should be separated by this value. Should be the data displayed by the reference to this value. And then if there is no data, what you want to see? Like I want to see no data, and close the bracket. You see the data belongs to Ben is displayed here. Now I want to change the name, like David. The data related to the table extracted here. So this is the way you can display your data, extracted data on the dashboard for different analysis, different tasks. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.